If you have items of many different weights, you may need to set highly specific weight-based delivery bands in order to ensure that the shipping cost always perfectly reflects the weight of that particular order. Weight-based delivery bands only work if the system knows the weight of each item in your website, and you can insert the particular weight for every item by entering this section here and opening the delivery option and inserting the weight for that particular item. To set up weight-based delivery rules, enter the settings area inside Basket and enter the delivery section, and choose the band whose delivery settings you want to edit for weight, and scroll down to the option 3 section. Remember that weight-based delivery is only activated once an order does not reach the threshold for free delivery and when fixed standard price postage has been switched off. Use these bands to determine weight-based delivery costs and focus on these first two delivery bands. The first weight band should go from 1 gram to slightly beyond the average weight of the majority of your items. So if most of your items were between 100 grams and 200 grams, you would set band 1 as 1 gram to 250 grams, and then insert the relevant delivery price for this weight band. If you know the average weight of your items, insert that value into the default weight box here. The system will always check first for a custom weight for every item, but if you haven't added a custom weight, this default weight here will be applied. You would then use weight band 2 to account for the few items that are much heavier than the average weight range given in band 1, so offer more range in this band to accommodate for larger and rarer orders. So in this case it would go from 250 to 1000 grams, and then attach the relevant price belonging to this weight band. The final band is generally for orders containing multiple items and should therefore be determined by what you need to charge as the website owner to make orders exceeding the limit set in weight band 2, so 1000, cost effective. So this is down to your discretion. And remember that the exact rules are always determined by the items you have when it comes to weight-based delivery. The first band incorporates the average weight of most of your items, the second band incorporates the heaviest of your items. And before moving on, double check that you have option 3 enabled so that the system applies these weight-based delivery price bands that you've created. Orders of multiple weight-based items normally use this option, whereby the system takes the total weight of the order and applies a delivery charge based on the weight bands that you've devised above. The sum option applies a delivery charge to each individual item and lumps it together to produce a large delivery sum. This is unusual but would be useful if you were selling very heavy units and needed each unit to have its own specific shipping cost. So if you hit save on those settings and a customer added an item weighing 800 grams to their basket, you will notice that the delivery charge of £10, which applies to orders that weigh between 250 and 1000 grams as stipulated in delivery bands, has been successfully applied. And with that, you now know how to use the weight-based delivery bands to assign delivery costs that cohere perfectly with the weight of your items, making your life much easier. You should now watch our video on orders, which gives you a full breakdown of how to manage your orders page. I hope this video series was helpful. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you again soon.